Part 1 Introduction. In the past decades, we have been relying on fossil fuels, like coal, oil and natural gas. However, fossil fuels are becoming less accessible due to its limited amount. Therefore, we need to discover and develop new energy sources in order to satisfy the great energy demand. One of the new energy sources is methane hydrate. Methane hydrate, which looks like an ice crystal, is a combination of water molecules and methane. Since methane hydrate is formed at regions with high pressure and low temperature, it is usually found in the Arctic or on continental margins. Part 2 Environmental impacts. Despite the tremendous reserves of methane hydrate and its feasibility of energy generation, combustion of methane hydrate also leads to various environmental impacts. CO2 emissions. Similar to natural gas, methane gas is also a hydrocarbon gas. So, methane hydrate also emits CO2 when it is burnt, although the amount is less than that of coal and oil. Submarine landslides. For seabed, gas hydrates act as a cementing agent, binding the fine particles of sediments to stabilize the seabed. If methane hydrate is mined, there will not be gas hydrate holding the fine particles of sediment. As a result, the seabed is destabilized and submarine landslides may occur, which may harm the submarine ecology. Escape of methane. Since methane hydrate is formed at high pressure and low temperature, methane hydrate will be disassociated under rising temperature or dropping pressure, and methane gas trapped will be released to the ocean and the atmosphere. As methane is 20 times more damaging than CO2, the escape of methane exacerbates the problem of global warming. Then, the global temperatures further rise and the escape of methane becomes more serious. Thus, a vicious cycle is formed. Part 3 Supply-side strategy. Maria van der Hoeven, the IEA's executive director, said that there are other surprises in store, such as the methane hydrates off the coasts of some countries like Canada and Japan. Professions agree that the amount are still huge. According to the IEA's most recent World Energy Outlook, amount of resources of lowest estimation are still larger than all other natural gas resources. Many estimates fall between 300 and 1,500 years of production at current consumption rate. Japan Oil, Gas, and Metals National Corporation estimated in 2008 that 1.1 tn cubic meters of methane hydrates lay beneath the eastern Nankai Trough, sufficient to supply the foreign gas imports in coming 100 years. Therefore, the supply of methane hydrate is significant to the sustainable development globally.